What is up, Bread Gang? Today is a very special day, something y'all have been looking forward to probably for a week now. I know it took a long time, but you can tell by the thumbnail. We are putting the forces on my truck today. Y'all absolutely killed the challenge. Challenge was 100 likes. We got, I think, well over 250 now, and it's been about a week. About 5,500 views. That's absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much. Y'all are the best. That's what we're doing today. Had a great time. If y'all want to check out the Sick Gear Truck Meet video and all the people that went, make sure y'all hit that up. Link is, the video's somewhere on my page. Somewhere, probably the next one right below that. But we are putting the forces on my truck today. Red forces, 24x14. I'm a little nervous. I don't know how it's gonna look. This is the first time I've had non-375s on the truck in a year, over a year. So it's gonna look different, but I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited. It's gonna take us a couple minutes. It is hot as hell out here. So I'm gonna get to mounting. The rain's coming in. We're gonna knock it out. I also have a nice little secret for you guys coming that's actually getting installed on his truck probably in the next hour or so, which is something I've never seen in person before either, and that's going to be really cool. So awesome video planned for you guys today. It's getting hot already. I just got off work. So before we jump into the video, I do want you guys to know this Saturday, which is the 27th, Bow Tally Truck Meet. I hope to see all of you there. Ryan's filming, 50% off food, burnouts, no cops. What more can you ask for? I mean, it's gonna be a great time. Let's roll the intro and make this happen.
This is Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
Y'all have seen already what we're working with today. So we got the 24x14 custom red powder coated American Force wheels. Amp tires, absolutely beautiful. And then again, if y'all want to see more of this truck, it's this like galactic white or whatever it is color wrap that we just put on, and it looks beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know we are putting, is it the Starry Night, is that what they call it?
Yeah.
We're putting the, like the Rolls Royce has, the kind of color, the little LED color changing lights on the headliner. That's going in today. He doesn't have a headliner right now, but within the next hour or so, the guy's supposed to be showing up, and that's what we're putting on today. So stay tuned for that. But we're gonna get started switching these wheels and tires over, and I'm really freaking excited. I mean, that red, I think is gonna pop so good on here. Size comparison between the 375 and the, I mean, I don't know if y'all can tell that, but I mean, that's a good, I mean, those are 13 and a half and this is 15, so inch and a half.
It's that bulge.
That instead of the rounded off, it's the square. Just that much makes a whole lot of difference. I don't think you guys understand how good this looks. I only have the first one done, and the red and the silver together, holy crap. This is just solidifying the fact that I have to redo at least the wheels and the lift red. I definitely have to do that. Even if, I mean, if I just leave that silver or get it wrapped some other kind of silver or gray, I have to do the red wheels with the silver. It looks so good. I want to give y'all a little sneak peek kind of halfway, maybe beginning of the video, just so y'all could at least see it. We've got the first one switched over, and his truck looks so freaking fat, like PHAT fat, with these 375s on it. He's not even gonna be able to drive it because he can't clear those. So there's no way he's gonna be able to clear the 375s. So we are gonna finish this up. It's so freaking hot, but we're gonna make it happen for you guys because this is insane. We have to make it happen. Can y'all hear the ice cream truck in the distance? I'm not gonna show y'all yet. Holy crap. I have to do red, this has to happen. So he's finishing up the last one there, and I got this side and the back one done. We've got one left to do. I'm not gonna show y'all yet. I will show y'all what the 375s look like on Joey's truck though. So obviously that changes the look a lot. These tires are, oh my, that looks really good, to be honest.
Yeah, I can probably run a 375 on these.
That looks really good.
I'll lift the truck taller for him, don't worry.
He's so, yeah, I definitely agree. Definitely lift the truck taller, put some 375s on those 24s, keep them for a little while and then give them to me. Because, I mean, look at this. I really like the white and the black. I'm not just saying that because I have his wheels on here, but I mean the stance on this looks so good. Man, I like that. And then obviously you got you can see just a little bit of the red wheels over there. Oh my goodness. A little preview, stay patient with me. We are getting to it, I promise. I'm super excited. It looks really freaking good. Again, this is just solidifying the fact that I have to do 24s and red on this truck. Definitely the only thing I'm gonna tell you right now is I think the tires look kind of small because they're 35, 1350, and I'm used to seeing 375s on it. But nonetheless, it looks absolutely beautiful. We're gonna take it, I'm gonna try and get some rollers, definitely get some pictures, and I will reveal it to you guys right about now. The red 24x14s look really freaking good, and I can definitely tell you a bunch of the suspension, the bow tie, maybe a little piece of the headlights, maybe some other stuff. I mean, all kinds of stuff is gonna end up red if I don't just do all red, just all together. So, and honestly, now that I have the little bit of red with the control arms, it just goes so much better with it. But I'm at a loss for words. It looks so freaking good. Again, you know, leave some comments below what you guys think. The 24 now, obviously, the only thing I don't like about this is the tires do look kind of small. Now, once you back up on it a little bit, they're a 35, 1350. Mine are like a 35.5 by 15. So mine are a little bit bigger, but he does have bigger wheels. And again, that makes the tires look smaller too. So I would definitely put some 375s onto these wheels if I did get them, or something like this. That's definitely in the plan, would be to get 375s, because I mean that's that wide bow tie, you know, is known for having the 375s. I got to stick with the 375 gang, and I've always wanted 24s, so I have a feeling this is definitely a direction I want to go with. I'm not sure what kind of American Force wheels these are, but I really like them. They look really good. They have the milled accents on there, which I think fit the truck really freaking well. I would almost want to do an all red though, just because that's what I like. Maybe no, you know, of the, you know, billet, the whatever it is, the circles around the wheels on the lip of the wheel, you know, that's all my preference when I go to get it done. That's, you know, what I might end up with. But leave your comments below, let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love them. They ride great, a little bit of noise, but I mean, you can't argue with the look. I mean, I'm super stoked about this. He will be at my truck meet on Saturday, so any of you that are coming to my truck meet on Saturday, stop by, come see his truck. It's got the new white wrap, the blue. He is getting the blue powder coat lift, but he's got the red wheels on it. We'll have the red wheels back on it by that point. So make sure y'all stop by the truck meet, come see him. But absolutely beautiful. I'm not looking forward to putting these back on the truck, but that's what it's got to be. So he's actually, like I said, we're gonna go take a look. He's getting the Rolls-Royce kind of Starry Night kind of headliner installed in his truck, so we're actually going to go take a look at that, and then we're going to switch the wheels and tires back over. I'm not going to bore you guys with switching them back over, because obviously you know that process. But I mean, just bask in the glory of the beautiful wide bow tie with the red powder coated wheels on it. I love it so much. A little bit of a clickbait for the ruin my truck, because honestly I didn't think it was going to look that good. I thought as soon as I put the first couple ones on, and I was really iffy. I'm like, man, these tires look really small, it's going to look funny. And even now, I mean, just depends on the angle. I mean, you look at it, it's definitely not as wide. So that little bit of edge on the tire definitely makes a huge difference in terms of width, and I would not want to get rid of that width. So I'm definitely putting 375s back on it once we get the, you know, red wheels at some point. But we're going to head back to Joey's house and see what's going on with his install. Oh, let's see it. Look at, holy crap. Crazy. That's so freaking cool though.
You can change it to like whatever color you want.
Dang, I like that, man. That's crazy. I bet at night that's gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah, it'll get a lot brighter.
That's so cool. One thing that you guys need to know is that is a very costly process and timely. It's not easy, it's not fun, and it's expensive. So if y'all are wanting to do something like this, I only know of maybe 3 or 4 people on Instagram that have something like this, and it's not easy and it's not fun, but I mean, it looks absolutely insane. I love, let's see if y'all can, it's got just the little LEDs in the headliner. Fiber optics, that's awesome. That's so cool. The black suede headliner with the color changing, and he's got a little remote. He can change the, I wonder if it'll focus on this. Guess not too close, yeah. That's so cool, man. So, it's been a long day. Beautiful sunset behind me. If y'all like the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe as Joey's putting the last wheel on. I just got to torque my last one. We're about done here. It's been a heck of a day. It's been hot, and it's been we've been fighting with these today. Huge things coming for his channel or his Instagram. Make sure to follow him, freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. He's got huge things coming for the truck. He's back and forth. I like putting his directional wheels on correctly, exactly. And of course, you know, I've always got something going on. I've actually got a bunch of huge stuff coming to the channel. I might be leaving Florida, potentially. New truck meet this weekend, y'all stay tuned for that. That's gonna be our next video. On Sunday is the truck meet video, y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a great turnout, gonna be a lot of great people there. Hope to see some of y'all there. But that's gonna end it for today's video. If y'all liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Join the bread gang, we get this bread. I'll see you guys at the truck meet. As always, let's get this bread.